Hey guys, this is the very first episode of Filthy Casual Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you guys how I make hummus. I eat this stuff just about every day, and because I do, if I bought it from the store, it'd be getting expensive. So I'm going to show you how I make it. First things first, I like carrots in my hummus. You don't have to if you don't want to. But bang in some carrots. I just use baby carrots, about that much. Don't expect measurements either. We don't measure here. So we just put that in there and just pulse it a couple of times. Shit. There we go. About like that. Yeah, this is going to be fun. I have no editing equipment unpacked right now, so all this is going to be live. You're going to see this in real time. All right, so to our carrots, we add 2 cans of drained garbanzo beans. Now, some people will tell you that you need to put them in water and rub all the skins off and it'll give it a smoother texture. We don't play that game here. None of that. So we have the garbanzo beans. We're going to add some salt, some pepper. Use fresh ground if you want. I don't care. This is your life, not mine. I use cumin. Not everybody does. I do. I think it's essential. There we go. About that much. Cayenne pepper. Again, this is your life. You're living it. You live it your way. Some onion powder. Some garlic powder. And because I'm an idiot, I left it over here. There we go. Because I'm an idiot, I left it over there. This is the juice of half of a lemon, fresh squeezed. If you don't have a lemon that you can fresh squeeze and you just have the stuff in the bottle, use it. I don't care. I'm not a cop. You do you. So, we put that in there. Pulse, pulse, pulse. Probably going to have to jimmy it around a little bit here and there. Might even have to get a utensil to tamp it down a little bit. My blender comes with this handy dandy little tamping tool. There we go. Just kind of like that. Until it's kind of roughly ground. Now, if your blender doesn't come with a little handy-dandy tamper tool like this, then use a wooden spoon or whatever. Just don't get it in there. You don't want wood bits in your hummus. That'd be bad. And now, olive oil. I use regular light olive oil. You can use extra virgin if you want. This is your life. Just drizzle it in. Yep, there we go. Talk amongst yourselves. And that was it. In 5 minutes, we made hummus. Look how much you get. That is a lot of hummus. Look at all that. I'll eat this for a week. It keeps for about a week in your fridge. Hopefully I can find a way to edit this down a little bit for you so you don't have to watch 5 minutes of blending. But anyway, there you go. Hummus.